If Photoshop is giving you error 109, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when Photoshop fails to install or update because of corrupted Adobe cache of files, network problems, or broken Creative Cloud components. In other words, the issue is often not with Photoshop itself, but with the files and login data Adobe is storing in the background. So if you've been stuck on an install or update screen, this guide should help you get things working again. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first and most effective fix is to clear the Adobe OOBE folder. OOBE stands for Out of Box Experience, and this folder stores Adobe login and setup cache. If that cache gets damaged, Photoshop can throw error 109 during installation or updating. To do this, first close Photoshop and make sure Creative Cloud is also closed completely. Then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the box, type %local app data %\Adobe and press enter. This will open the Adobe folder inside your local app data directory. Inside that folder, look for a folder called OOBE. Delete that folder. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve it. Now, next press Windows key plus R again, and this time type %appdata %\Adobe and press enter. This opens Adobe's roaming app data folder. Once again, find the OOBE folder and delete it from here too. This step is very important because it removes the stored cache that can cause the error. After deleting both folders, restart your PC. Once your computer boots back up, try opening Adobe Creative Cloud again and see if Photoshop installs or updates correctly. For many people, this alone fixes error 109 right away. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to sign out of Creative Cloud and sign back in. Open the Creative Cloud app, click your profile or account icon and choose Sign Out. After signing out, close Creative Cloud completely. You can even check the system tray to make sure it's not still running in the background. Then reopen Creative Cloud and sign in again with the same Adobe account that you use for Photoshop. Once you're logged back in, try the install or update again. Sometimes a fresh sign-in clears a temporary account sync issue and gets everything working normally. Now let's move on to another useful fix, which is clearing your temp files. Temporary files can sometimes interfere with Adobe installers and updates, especially if there are leftovers from a failed installation. To clear them, press Windows key plus R again, type %temp% and press enter. This will open the temporary files folder. Now select all the files in this folder. You can press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then delete the files. If some files are in use and Windows won't remove them, just skip those and continue deleting the rest. This is completely normal. Clearing temp files helps remove clutter and may eliminate whatever is blocking Photoshop from installing properly. After that, restart your computer one more time and try Creative Cloud again. At this point, you should be ready to test Photoshop installation or update again. If the issue was caused by corrupted Adobe cache, a sign-in problem, or damaged temporary files, one of these fixes should resolve it. To recap quickly, first clear the Adobe OOBE folders from both local app data and app data, then restart your PC. Second, sign out and sign back into Creative Cloud. Third, clear your temp files and try again. Those 3 steps solve error 109 for a lot of users. If you're still having trouble after that, the issue may be deeper, such as a damaged Creative Cloud installation or network security software blocking Adobe services, but in most cases, this guide is enough to get you moving again. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple fixes and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.